awesome view. Yes.
Happy holidays! Hey guys, it's PatrickStarrr. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing my epic family Christmas card. Also exciting news, we will be shooting in my brand new studio. I've been telling you that I got a new one-size office, but guess what? We got a new Star Studios, one-size studios. So it's gonna be a little bit of an unveiling today. And also this will be the last of the Vlogmas. You guys will be seeing this after the holidays. I have been so busy running around. I went shopping at Costco yesterday, by the way, and I feel like looking for a parking spot was very reminiscent of looking for a parking spot on campus at college, and it was literally sharks chasing prey. So without further ado, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I hope you had a wonderful Christmas, and we are gonna look forward to the new year. We are here with the vlogs and the fantasies, and let's unveil the new studio. Hi Dad, this is our new studio. Tell them how you found the studio. My dad's in real estate, but licensed in Florida.
I found it on the commercial listing, LoopNet.
Here it is.
Them before I went back.
And it was our first choice.
Yeah.
Mom, you ready for the new studio?
Yes, I'm so excited.
Happy holidays.
Hey, thank you, Lord.
Go inside.
Wow.
Guys, this is it.
Wow.
How exciting, guys. And we have the best glam team today. We have Tony.
Hi.
Oh my
How
gosh.
are you? Long time no
The
see.
Tony one. You've been doing everybody.
I know, she's been busy, girl.
She's been everywhere. I'm so excited. And we're gonna wait for Ronnie because Ronnie's here. By the way, I feel so like in my feelings of like having vlogged for you guys. I know you guys have been loving it, and I just want to say I love you guys. Thank you for laying down in your bed or watching me on your couch. It just really means a lot because I'm literally sharing the pages in my book with all of you through these vlogs. Like having moments like this with the studio, this is like epic. Ronnie hasn't seen it for the first time. He's about to pull up. Let's get his reaction. Over here.
Hey, you guys.
Hey, you guys. Here's a studio.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god, you're hi guys.
Hi.
Oh wow. Oh, Buffy's here.
Hi, Buffy. You guys remember Buffy? Are you gonna poop in this studio too?
Buffy poops directly in the sunlight. The fact that it's in the sun.
Ronnie, what do you think?
Oh my gosh.
Dream come true.
How crazy.
Reaction. What's your reaction?
I can't believe you have another studio.
And Ronnie was just in our campaign, which you guys are about to see. Ronnie is gonna be on the PR box. Are you excited?
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
Ronnie's gonna be on the PR box.
Oh my gosh.
In hundreds of boxes. He's gonna be in the PR box.
How
They're gonna gag all the
crazy.
makeup artists, all the influencers are gonna see you and me.
Oh my gosh. Wow, this is nice. I love the kitchen. So big.
The kitchen, guys.
I prayed to be in a campaign.
Huh?
I prayed that you'll be in a campaign.
Oh
Dream
my-
come true for you.
Oh, Mama Star,
my
your prayers
gosh.
are good.
This is the set today. This is the vibes. What have you been up to, celebrity hairstylist? Wigs and weaves.
I've been traveling a lot, boo.
When they said that you got booked, I was like, are you
You're
sure?
I'm not like that. I'm not like that.
Guys, I love his work. Don't even think about messaging him because he's so busy. Guys, I'm so sorry. This is like a soft launch. I'm not really hard launching the studio, but for those of you that with me, you guys are getting the full sneak peek. Like, look, this is like the restroom. I took some interior designing classes on Skillshare, by the way, because I just wanted to up my skills, and I had someone design my office. It's okay. It's functional, but it's not fashionable. So this is another restroom. This will be beautiful and red. And then I have a room back here, and I'm just so freaking happy that my dad found this place. We're literally blessing the studio today, by the way. It's really cool that our first ever shoot here is going to be our holiday Christmas family photo shoot. And if you guys don't remember, our office, our first ever shoot there was our ultimate powder campaign with the pink powder and everything. So I like how we're blessing things with shoots and opening new spaces with content and production that you know I love. So look at Buffy. What do you think?
Oh my god, this is huge. Oh my god, so when I came before, I came this way, so this is your beginning.
Yes, I thought you came through the back.
I literally came over here when I was trying to find where the hell it was.
So this is gonna be my YouTube room.
This is perfect.
Yeah, but the table will be there and Peter and everyone will shoot this way. And I'll get curtains to cover everything and that's pretty much gonna be the backdrop.
Oh my god, how sick.
You like it?
It's huge.
I miss the old space a little
bit. Of course
bit.
you do, because you're like a creature of like habit.
I know, I just love my space.
We love to bring the new, honey. New. All new.
Oh my god.
Buffy loves it. Look at her.
Running and running and running.
Oh my god. I love the space.
You like it, Buffy? I'm so excited. I wish I could show you guys the layout and the design, but I have literally mood boards, I have layouts, I have designs, and our beautiful set designer, Taylor, used to work in theater. Guys, fun fact, these are my Christmas trees from my MAC campaign in 2018. I posed on a sleigh, and that was like 6 years ago, and I've kept all of these trees in storage, and I was like, I think I have red trees that I can put. Bitch, here we are with all these trees and all these gifts, and she's gonna add more draping, and then our amazing photographer Sean is going to light everything so gorgeous, and we're gonna add more red fabric on the floor. Guys, this is really, really sick. And look at the kitchen, it's decked out. We made a little fake craft services table. Peter, what do you think about the craft services that I did? Brought to you by Costco.
It's nice. I already ate an Oreo.
Oh, see, we are vegan friendly here.
Vegan friendly. That's how you stock with the fridge.
Do the fridge tour. Show people the fridge. Oh, Peter's repping one size. Wow, I did good, huh? Yes. Well. Buffy, come here. Where?
Over here.
Buffy. Look who blessed Buffy. What happened to you? Buffy, come here. Come here, Buffy. She's pretending like she can't hear me.
What you did?
Nakain siya sa banyo. Look.
Oh yeah, right in the bathroom.
Did that. Good girl. You pooped in the bathroom.
She was close. That's good. Mama. Look at your mom cleaning your poop.
The girls are here. Hello. You look gorgeous. For Buffy. Mom. Hey, Tony, say hi to camera, Tony.
Hi.
Hello.
We got two Tonys.
Come on, Buffy.
She lets you do it too. She loves it. She loves the glam. Over here.
Wait, and then we gotta put your pearls on.
Ronnie, what are you gonna do today?
We are about to turn PatrickStarrr into the Nutcracker.
Into a nutcracker. Mom's hair and makeup is done. Paul's makeup is done. And we're using the Mario cap. There!
Oh, Papa.
Perfect. Ronnie's gonna fill it in. And what are you using, Ronnie?
One size red.
Wow, the nutcracker. Very cute. Oh, Ronnie, you need to trim his brows.
Basically the same.
Oh my god.
Look at
Do you
this.
see his eyebrows?
They're like 1 inch long.
I know.
You see it? That's where you got your eyebrow bone.
Look at the little nutcracker. What you think?
I love it so much.
You know what? I told him to use the top of the Mario foundation as a stencil, and then he's just stamping it in.
Smart. That's smart. You be thinking.
That was me. That was on top of everything I do. The pizza gonna be here in 5 minutes. We order pizza.
Did you really?
Yeah.
Oh, thank God.
Yeah, it's fine. First ever shoot in this space.
I'm glad I want to christen it.
Let the video know.
Could you say hi to the vlog?
Hi.
How's the first shot of the day?
Oh, I love it. I like to pose.
Where are you? Where the are you? I'm sweating.
You're like all this stuff.
Alright guys, that is pretty much done. We got so many pictures. We did every single freaking combination possible. So when people want to wish me a happy birthday, a happy anniversary, if they want to wish Mama Starr a happy, I don't know, Filipino Independence Day, we got it. We got the brothers, the mom, the dad, the friends, the makeup artists, the couples, the Scorpios. We did literally everything, so now it is time to change and enjoy our boba. Guys, we finished our first ever shoot in the new studio! 2024?
You'll do more.
You'll do more. That was so much fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so honored to have shot in our new studio. You guys got a first sneak peek. Trust me, I'm going to design and decorate, and you guys are going to be on the journey with me. In the next few weeks, I will film an official tour for all of you, for all social media, and then buckle up for a beautiful ride in 2024. I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas. Happy New Year, and I hope to see you all out in the next video. Bye.